Let's do some garlic chicken fried rice on my new wok on the Phoenix. Turned out really good. Got to be organized for wok cooking so you have quick stuff within reach. That's my 25 jet burner. Super hot, great for the wok, great addition. This definitely needs to have more oil, so it's less sticky, cooks better. Learning as I go. Difficult to film and cook at the same time, but we gave it a college try.
Throwing in the garlic.
Again, needs to be oilier, so I'll add some. It's only my first real cook on it. Otherwise, I just seasoned it. Oh, look at that. Nice appearance by my fingers. Again, holding a phone while you're cooking on a wok, not advisable. Good to stay organized with that silicone mat with the holds. That's great for all the wok utensils. I definitely need to work on my flipping. We'll get that, and also not hold the phone. Added in the eggs. I should have let them go just a little bit longer before adding in this rice, so they would scramble a little bit better. Again, I'm learning. We'll do that better next time. I also did it for reheats. I just scrambled some eggs. Putting in my peas and carrots. The peas are frozen, so I'm going to give them some chance to heat up a little bit. This worked out really well. Making a little bit of a mess. Added the good steam cover to let the steam drip down the sides and back in the wok. I added that. It's a good purchase. Links are in the description. Time to put the chicken back in. Mix that around some. Added in my oyster sauce, my dark soy sauce. Skipped on the sesame oil. We're not big fans. Again, letting that steam a little bit more. Come to temp, brought it inside on my full-size sheet, carried everything in, plated it up like a champ. It was so good, everybody loved it. Added some light soy, man was it yummy. And for, like I said, for reheats, I scrambled some eggs and added some green onions. Added some wonderful background music. See you on the next cook.